for buying this 16920 wine opener knife from Fixture Displays. There are multiple functions on this combination knife. Come with a nice wood handle and made with stainless steel. The knife is about 4.7 inches long. Right here, you can open bottles such as beer bottles, and then you have this corkscrew to open your wine. In addition, you have a knife that you can use that to cut the foil on your wine bottle. This is really nice folding knife to let you handle your beer and wine with elegance. I hope you enjoyed this product in this video. Do like us, subscribe. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with the product review. I invite you to browse fixturedisplays.com for many other consumer and business products we have to offer. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Display.